Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm just doing a quick audio check to see. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Just doing a quick audio check to see. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Just doing a quick. Okay, well, I think that I need to turn up the audio just a little bit. Then let's go to this and go like this. And then, alright, I need to change my settings. Actually not sure how to change that. 22, 561, 440. That's probably way too much. Oh, there it is, docs. That's cool. But then that just, for fuck's sake. That's so silly. Alright. I mean, apparently it's streaming at a really high quality just fine. I'm gonna try talking for a little bit with the sound, I guess. I'm gonna try talking for a little bit. This is a good time to talk because the audio is quite loud. So I guess if I was just you know, typing away, tickety 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 tick, pop 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 pop, tickety tickety tick. We'll see how that sounds. Cool. And I can sort of use this to monitor the chat, I reckon. Yeah. Cool. Just plug the phone in. Make sure it stays open and bright. And there we go. In fact, I'm gonna put it here. That's all my shit set up then. Surprised that the Mac's keeping up with this, to be honest. Alright. So first stream. Everything looks to be going alright. It's doing some weird shit. These things can frick off because they're not actually helping at all. Okay. So, where are we at? Oh. 1 second, let me make sure that my VM's on. Yeah, okay. Let's change the music. Oops.
Like a 357, hitting on three.
Alright, here's another song now. You have to listen carefully. We want you to listen to the next song.
Alright. That should be pretty good. Let's see. Yeah, my voice should be like, you know, twice the amount of decibels. That means it's like 10 times louder.
You talking louder, saying nothing for the dollars.
You're better off quitting, start working blue collar. More claws up in the place, slapping out your phony. Y'all niggas is play like pimp sessions with tenderonis.
When y'all suckers gonna learn how this rap shit goes. I hate it when the fake nigga try to doze, rapping about his clothes and fake sad stories and hoes. How we shot up his rival foes.
Like I ain't heard that story before, I had it up to here with the black on black. Cause that shit is worse than the clan attack. Some niggas brain lack, common sense, common knowledge and confidence. We trying to put a stop to your whack incompetence.
Once we come through,
ain't no stopping this. Repeat.
Once we come through, ain't no stopping this. What? I roll through like with someone on curb, so niggas better be alert when I insert. You better. Should've learned after self-destruction, sucking
negativity like a human suction.
Quasimodo cool, bring the eruption. So what's up when we release the verbal dumping?
Y'all talking loud, plus y'all saying nothing.
Oh, y'all wild now.
They're trying to wild out like David Ruffin. Oh, them some niggas let the money control the soul and flip their goals and end up in holes.
Some niggas is using this art form like jazz music. It don't matter to some rappers. They just wanna make the money plan the clock figures.
Right.
We trying to climb ladders.
For real now, let's start.
Talking about your life no matter here.
When we roll through, see the Quasimodo auxiliary. Lord Quas, father of invention, you mentioned we.
The beat conductor.
Hit you like high consciousness. Niggas feeling envy when they be watching us.
So what the deal is, dude, think you got a little confused.
Hmm.
Loop digger. Yo, it's the loop digger.
Man, it's the loop digger.
My nigga, my nigga.
Yo, it's the loop digger.
Yo, it's the loop digger.
Man, it's the loop digger.
My nigga, my nigga.
Yo, it's the loop digger.
Yo, it's the loop digger.
Man, it's the loop digger.
My nigga, my nigga.
Yo, it's the loop digger.
It's the loop digger.
Man, it's the loop digger.
My nigga. Presenting Mad Lib, loop digger.
Some niggas be sampling the same ass shit. Some niggas be looping up them played out hits. But that's more for me plus the peeps I'm down with. We strive to create some way out other shit that you ain't heard yet. We building up respect. Then come the check, then I cash chips. You know I go get more stacks of wax. Fuck CDs, cassettes, 8 tracks and that. Yo, fuck all that shit, cat. I was stealing old records from my aunt's closet. Back in the days I didn't even know that I could make a profit off it. I dropped loop to make you feel like you've been taking squiggers. The wrist to be turned, nigga.
It's the loop digger.
Man, it's the loop digger.
My nigga.
Yo, it's the loop digger.
Oh,
It's the loop digger.
Man, it's the loop digger. Excuse me.
Yes, you looking for something?
No prices on these records right here.
Oh, the jazz records? Oh, those aren't marked
I'm looking
yet.
at these.
But if you look over here,
Right.
you have anything in
Would
mind?
you happen to have any Stanley Cowell? Like 1970 stuff?
I never heard of him.
Stuff was on Spratted East or something.
Has he made any hits?
You ain't got none of that.
I doubt if I have him. I doubt
Well,
it.
back there you got some Grand Green or something?
Oh, Grand Green, yes. 1958. Blue Note.
Something.
Blue Note
Chick
records.
Korea in the space. I'm looking for that shit. It's on the Atlantic.
No.
1958.
text equals
Sorry.
add.
What kind of breaks you got then?
We got a wide selection of Simon Harris.
Simon Harris breaks. Now I'm looking for some shit with some real songs.
Yeah.
The fuck?
Excuse me?
Fuck it.
We got Redbone
Y'all
breaks.
got any reggae up in this
No, we
piece or
have no
something?
reggae in here.
Nothing?
No, nothing.
I'm out, buddy.
Alright.
Yo, Mad Lib.
Have a good
Yo,
day.
I know you coming with all this other shit, man. But I want you to hit him with that raw shit right about now. You know what you gotta do.
1 2 1 2. 2 1 2. 2 1 2. The selective approach provides the essential conditions for creative freedom. Uh-oh, I got shit on deck, just like a pelican. The beat conductor orchestrate, put you under my spell again. I drop the soul inside your ear hole, add the bass line, then I hit you with a fat drum roll. Hit it. I'm tackling gods and dogs on Holy Thursday like David Axelrod. I keep it raw from the first day. I want it in the worst way, but don't pay more than $10. Get together with Can Kick, it's like we Luke scholars. Keeping Clifford Jordan on down to Willie Mason. The proposition, Garcia to George, good for lacing. It's like I got a gold mine in my soul supply. Niggas asking,
Yo, Mad Lib, why you waste so much money on records and getting high, man?
man, I got no time for silly shit. To throw this record on, pack a bowl, take a hit. Yo, it's the
Alright, so I guess that I'll just sort of explain what this shit's doing. So this script is being hosted on a virtual machine that is being run at my school, and essentially the network topology is that there's like three computers, and we're sort of pretending that they're all connected via Wi-Fi. And we are using one computer, and that's a Kali Linux machine that is what this script is running on. Then, so here's the network, right? We're pretending that this is Wi-Fi. it's just local, like the local most default network you can get, really. Then we are on this computer on point 1, which is a Kali machine. Then we're pretending that this is like a CCTV company, and we're doing a demo for them where we come and hack the stuff to show that they need to hire us, because we're also going to detect the hack as well. So I'm on the hacking part. You know, why don't I start the whole thing from the start? So what this whole project is we need to pretend that we are a what this whole project is that we need to pretend that we're like a cybersecurity consultancy company, and we're trying to get hired by a CCTV company who has recently had multiple data breaches and have lost the head IT guy. So the way that we're going to try and convince them to hire us is that we are going to do a demo for them. We're going to do like a technological performance where we take the way that they said that the network is laid out, which is of course set up by my teachers, and we're going to hack the computer, do something that would cause damage to their business, and then detect all of that. So the point of the demo is that if they hired us, we would be able to see what happened before any damage was done and potentially react. And even if we weren't able to react in time, then we would do backups for them. Like we would sort of put a lot of processes in place to raise the security posture to the point where it wouldn't be so much of an issue if we didn't catch it in time. But even if we didn't catch it in time, then we will have set up logging and detection that shows us, lets us audit exactly what happened. Because the way that even fairly simple hacking works is that even if you hack something in a really simple and obvious way, often it doesn't create very many logs. Like it's really hard to audit and pick apart afterwards what actually happened. So, oh fuck, we have our first viewer, that's awesome. Hey man. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn that shit down, 1 sec, that's probably way too loud. Let me balance the audio quick. Cool. So yeah, so even if you do like some really simple hacks, some really simple intrusion, it often doesn't generate a lot of logs. So it's really hard to go back and figure out what actually happened and how it happened. So yeah, so I'm part of the red team, so I'm part of the hacking. I mean, I'm also part of the blue team, and I help manage, like, it's all of us are supposed to wear all the different hats in the fake organization. And so yeah, we're on this computer. I'm just sort of explaining the general project right now. We're hacking this computer to hack this computer to then do damage to the network, or do damage to the files, which would damage their business, using this script. So, do you want me to explain like exactly what this script does, or just keep going on with developing it? Because I'm sort of I'm getting to the point where I'm just adding a bit more infrastructure for the last stage. Like we've sort of hacked, this script hacks both computers, and then I'm setting it up to deliver the payload. And I'm using Gemini CLI to help, because it's been useful-ish. Like if I didn't know like half what I was doing, it would be pretty useless, like if I was going into this blind. But because I have like a little tiny bit of background in Python, then it's okay-ish. So what we want to do is we want to use a subprocess to host a HTTP file. It's in /home/ts user/nom slash, well, actually it is /nom/nom.ps1. So it's a PowerShell script, and what it does is it actually I can actually open it up. Pretty sure if we go like this, nom.ps1. So this is like slightly obfuscated, but it's not really. It's nowhere near as obfuscated as an actual like sophisticated threat would have it. So essentially, this is going into their like videos folder, which I'm storing a CCTV video for the demonstration, and we are saving the name of the file and the metadata, like when it was made, when it was last edited and shit. And then we are, we're reading all of that. Then we are looking for the magic number. So we're sort of reading through the file and reading all the data that sets up what kind of file it is. And then everything after that is going to be the actual video file. So then we just write all of that to 0. So we do that. We after 4 bytes after we write that all to 0, which is this one. So then we put all of the metadata that we just copied back onto that file. So if you hadn't set up your security properly, which you wouldn't unless you hired someone to do it for you, then you have no idea it's been edited. When you go to use your CCTV footage, it's just blank. Yeah, sure. All right, so we're going to use, we're going to set up a HTTP server using Python, which is really easy. It's not even one line of code, it's one single command line argument. Let me just check the audio levels again. That looks all right. So we are going to have to do this before we do anything. Problem. See what I mean? It just says stuff that's not actually a problem. Like, can you see this? Like this is not actually, that's not actually the case. It doesn't know this library very well. So shush, that's also not true. Oh, that might be a problem. Exploit terminal. No, that's totally fine. I'm wondering if I've actually one sec. Let me just overwrite this file to give Gemini the new version. So I'm just swapping this between the virtual machine and my computer. And then reread the file, please. I want to start the HTTP server using Python. I think it's just python.http before doing anything. So just trying to remember where I was at with developing this. Do you want to see me run it? Do you want to see me actually do it? Are you capable of messaging? You're my one viewer. Unless I'm viewing my own stream and thinking that it's 2. Oh, I think that is the case. Oh, that sucks. Well. I wonder if we close that, if the thing will go away. Maybe not. Maybe I really do have 2 viewers. That'd be pretty cool. All right, where we're at. Here we are. Okay. No, don't. The HTTP server part is step by step, so I can. These things can be so annoying. I'm pretty sure what I would do is over here, like before we try any of this, because this try block here goes down to, yeah, maybe inside this try block. So we got the client. I think before even before we do the client, I think that we want to import sub process. Already have temp file. I don't need that. Yeah, okay, sure. Num PS1 equals, we'll just have this be blank for now. Okay, now we need to start after your metasploit client class, but before your main function. Okay. So def start HTTP server. We don't need to do what it just asked. Okay, no. The file is at /home/tsuser/num.ps1. All right. Yeah, I just don't need to. That's just wrong. Yep. Okay. Host order. So we're gonna go if not os.path.isdir oh yeah, so this is saying if it can't find the directory, we're gonna say error directory to what the fuck are you talking about? They're not found. That's funny. Then we're gonna go turn none. Cute cmd equals Python 3 dash m. Why are you putting these in 3 different blocks? That's very strange. That's all good. We'll see if this works. Yep. Alright. Now we're actually open. That's so funny, man. Commands wd equals that equals the standard out equals subprocess type equals, what does that mean? Well, guess we're gonna find out. Time.sleep on returns access. Alright, that we never use host. What? It's never defined either. Alright, random. Thinking of maybe I'll like stream to Twitch as well. I wonder if you can do that. Probably. All right.